63.711 requirements as to use of lights. This is going to be a short video, so let's get it over with. Every vehicle upon a highway within this state during the period from sunset to sunrise and at any other time when there is not sufficient light to render clearly discernible any person on the highway at a distance of 500 feet ahead shall be equipped with lighted front and rear lamps as respectively required in section 63.713 for different classes of vehicles and subject to exemption with reference to lights on parked vehicles as hereinafter stated in this chapter. That right there is going to be the law where it says you have to have your lights on at night. Yes, you can receive a ticket for pulling out on the roadway without your lights on. And it doesn't give you a clear time as of sunset to sunrise. That's because it changes. Most cars have automatic lights. Just turn them over to automatic. It'll let it do it for you. If not, another rule of thumb is to watch the street lights. If street lights are on, more than likely your headlights need to be on. And it's section 63.713. That's going to be another video. It'll be next. So make sure you come back and watch it. Since this one's short, I'll probably put them back to back. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Comment below. Let's keep it going. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.